In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the ATEM Mini Extreme ISO just to show you what you can expect when you order this amazing switcher. So let's not take much time, let's get right into it. What's up guys, my name is Sam Lab Production Tips and Tools here. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's navigate the live streaming world together. This is the ATEM Mini Extreme ISO. So when you buy it, as you can see, the box is super colorful. So this is what the box looks like. So much information on the box. It gives you all the features, all the things that you can do with this amazing live streaming switcher. I'm not gonna go into that. We're gonna go ahead and open the box. As usual, we're gonna see so many documents, the welcome card, the software installation guide, and then we're gonna see this Blackmagic design sticker as well, and another card to actually show you how to install DaVinci Resolve, which is a free software from Blackmagic that you can download and use to actually edit videos. And the next thing obviously you're gonna see is gonna be your power adapter. The next thing you see, you're gonna receive so many socket adapters, which is what you're gonna use to plug your ATEM Mini Extreme ISO to power. And again, depending on where you live in the world, you're gonna be able to pick the one that's gonna be useful for you. So basically, this is mine. This is what I'm gonna be using. And finally, we get the ATEM Mini Extreme ISO. And as you can see, this is it. This is what it looks like. So smooth, so nice. Just love the feel of it. And basically, this is pretty much what you get in the box. Just a quick overview. This is the back of the unit. You get your 8 HDMI inputs. As you can see, this is from 1 to 8, and then you get your 2 HDMI outputs, as you can see there right here. And then on the top of that, you get your 2 USB outputs as well, your Ethernet port and your power input. We also have this headphones output to be able to monitor your audio, and 2 mic inputs. So let's flip it and take a look at the front of the unit. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. You got all the buttons to pick which camera that goes live. So we got the button to control camera 1. So from camera 1 to camera 8. And then we got the camera control buttons, which is something that you're not gonna use unless you use some Blackmagic design cameras. But if you're not using Blackmagic design cameras, then these buttons may not be useful for you. However, you have some buttons, of course, like to control the audio coming from the HDMI and stuff like that, that you're gonna be able to use. The only difference is you're not gonna be able to use the camera control stuff, okay? And then on the top of that, we got 4 buttons for each microphone input. So basically, it could be a microphone or just audio input on the unit, say mic, but it doesn't have to be a microphone. So we got the on and off button, and we got the volume control up and down for each microphone. And now we have also 4 buttons to control your headphones output, so you can mute, reset, or decrease or increase the volume. Next, we have a lot of buttons for effects, macros, picture in picture, and we have some transition buttons as well. We have the cut and auto and fade to black buttons. And then lastly, we have some record and streaming engine control buttons on the other side, and the HDMI out control buttons. So basically, that's the overview of all the buttons that you get with this ATEM Mini Extreme ISO. 8 inputs, so many effects, so many cool stuff that you can do with this amazing switcher. If you want to know more about what you can do with this switcher, feel free to check out some other videos that I'm gonna link at the end. But other than that, this concludes this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.